My name is Gabriel Clark. All the children here are just so genuinely kind, really interesting. We painted some Easter eggs, which is a traditional thing in Ukraine. We played games, we played some ping pong. I've had an amazing day. Knowing what's happening in the war in Ukraine and then seeing all these children, they're just like me, they're just like anybody else. But they've been through an awful lot, and I think if there's any way to help them, I think we should all be doing that.